So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my morning routine with a twist. I am going to be trying to incorporate the $1 billion morning routine, also known as the morning routine that billionaires go by. A lot of it is the same as usual, but the first one is to wake up early, which you see me trying to do. And the first thing that they do is recall their dreams. But I didn't have any dreams, and if I did, I had a lot of trouble recalling them. I don't think I had any. If I did, I can't remember. So much for recalling my dreams. I'm not gonna be a billionaire at this rate. Okay, now next is to make your bed. Admittedly, I do not make my bed every day, but billionaires do this because it's a success habit. So they talk a lot about positive momentum and the science of momentum and getting things done, checking things off, doing it with excellence, and making your bed. So who knew making your bed could be so motivating? I will say I felt super satisfied and ready to start my day, and I just felt good looking at it throughout the day. Billionaires say making your bed is very powerful because it teaches you to be able to do something well and in excellence like they do in the military. Not a total Betty, but a vast improvement. You get a point if you know what movie that's from. So the next thing that you have to do if you want to be a billionaire in your billionaire morning routine is to drink a tall glass of water. Because you guys know water is good for you regardless of who you are and how much money you make or want to make. Most of us get dehydrated at night, so drinking water first thing when you wake up is actually really good for your body. I decided to enhance mine with some lemon, like fresh squeezed lemon. And the billionaire who does this morning routine also said that he takes his supplements and probiotics, which is really important because your gut is actually your second brain. So this is something that I do anyway every morning. I take my vitamins and I make sure that I take a probiotic, a hair vitamin, and then I may take a neuroantiox or energy or mental clarity or focus vitamin, something like that. So the next step is to practice breathing. Breathing is really good because it oxygenates your body and your brain. It helps you to focus. It gives you clarity before you start your day. And meditation in general is really, really helpful for so many things. This is actually something I already had practiced, but I don't do it in the morning and I don't do it every day. So this was nice to just start my day off with some meditation and just some quiet time and breathing, and it really helped me focus and start, my day off on a fresh start. The next step was to get moving, and just for the record, it doesn't have to be like really intense exercising. The billionaire who does this routine actually said you can do jumping jacks or just move in place for 2 minutes, but you want to do anything you can to get your body moving, because after you have done some still quiet time in meditation, it jolts your body and wakes it up and gives you a burst of energy. I decided to make my movement my daily workout. And after that is a cold shower. It's actually cold therapy, and it helps to reset your nervous system. It's really powerful in resetting your nervous system and reducing inflammation. And after getting out the shower, I decided to make a green smoothie. This really has nothing to do with the billionaire morning routine, but I was hungry after my workout, and this is what I do. So I'm showing you guys. I basically just mix spinach, kale, protein powder, mangoes, pineapple, almond milk, and coconut water. Having something in your body in the morning is really important to fueling you for the day, so here's my fuel. And totally not billionaire related, but I did get a package from ZBAGS with some cute Louis V shoes that you guys have asked me about. I've posted before, but I did get a new bag in that I wanted to show you. It is a like crossbody kind of bag, and it's one that's perfect for the spring and or summer and or really any time to just throw and go when you're trying to run errands or whatever. You can throw coins in it, you can fit your phone, and I love this pink strap. Oh my gosh, that's what drew me to this bag in the first place. So definitely check out ZBAGS. I have the website linked below. They have tons of cute and affordable designer inspired items that you will love. So check them out. Okay, so the remaining steps of this morning routine involve me heading over to my office and sitting down at my desk. It involves journaling. All the smartest people in history journaled, so there's got to be something there. Then doing your to-do list, which I already do. Doing a to-feel list, which you list certain feelings you want to feel throughout the day, and then reading. So if you have the time, one of the most important things to do is read. You can read for about 20 to 30 minutes, and it gives your brain some brain training, and it helps jumpstart your brain and your mind. And this is something I need to do more because I'm trying to read one book a month. At the end of my mornings, I usually like to pre-prep my lunch or dinner for the day. Today I'm using HelloFresh, which is America's #1 meal kit. Their recipes are super delicious, and I love that HelloFresh makes living healthy easier by offering low-cal, carb-smart, vegetarian, and pescatarian options. And this is really important to me since I eat mostly pescatarian. It's also super cost-effective. You can actually save up to 28% by using HelloFresh versus grocery store shopping. And y'all know I'm all about saving a coin. I also think it's great that HelloFresh helps you eat more sustainably by giving you pre-portioned ingredients. That means there's less prep for you and less wasted food. And it's really flexible because HelloFresh allows you to change your delivery days or your food preferences, and it even lets you skip a week when you need to. I love that HelloFresh is committed to making fresh, delicious food available now more than ever, and they've taken extra steps to keep their employees and customers safe. So go to HelloFresh.com and use my code CiaraElaine12 to get 12 free meals, including free shipping. That's HelloFresh.com and use code CiaraElaine12 to get 12 free meals, and that includes free shipping. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. So yeah, guys, that is everything for the $1 billion morning routine and just my morning routine in general. I will say that I love the billionaire morning routine. It very closely mimics what I already do, but there are some things I'm going to take away and incorporate into my morning routine and do better. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you learned something, then hit that notification button so you can be notified when I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you to the bank and back, and I'll see you in my next video.